Woolbuddy is about more than just crafting. With a heartfelt mission to make a difference, we journey each year to a village in Nepal. A place where Woolbuddy's art brings light and learning to underprivileged children.
So yeah, we try the best because in Nepal we don't have like a very good education because the government, they don't take care. That's the fact.
Surrounded by eager eyes and imaginative minds, we teach these young artists to create with resources we provide to spark their creativity.
And I like enjoying doing this with you. And thank you for giving me the chance to make this. The Woolbuddy and Mr. Jackie, and also you. It's nice to meet you.
These children take pride in their handmade characters, sharing in moments that draw even more local families into the joy of needle felting. Our small individual efforts plant seeds of creativity and connection, demonstrating that no matter where you are, a simple, kind act has the power to inspire. So join us, explore Woolbuddy's world of needle felting and see how you can also turn wool into a heartfelt creation. As we continue this journey, Woolbuddy remains committed to bringing art, hope, and connection to those who need it most, one felted piece at a time.